Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and elegant pearl necklace at home. So for that we need 4 different size pearl beads and some golden beads. So please follow the whole step very carefully, and it's easy to make, everyone can make this. So I hope you love this design. If you have any queries then please comment me below, and please don't forget to hit the like button because it's really motivates me a lot. Also request you to subscribe this channel with bell icon that you never miss any updates. Now keep watching. Thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this, then subscribe for more interesting videos. Useful and easy. Be creative.